What? Klarna, the company where you can buy now and pay later, has just announced they're going to cut 2,000 jobs. You know why? Because Klarna's AI is working for 700 employees, dealing with customer service requests, solving their problems within 2 minutes instead of 11 minutes. Klarna AI is so deeply involved in their workflow that sooner or later, our washing machines are going to talk to us about unpaid invoices. To all customer service agents, I would like to ask you, what are your future plans? Are you going to hunt for a similar role, or are you going to learn new tech skills? Probably train the AI which has replaced you in the first place. What are other companies going to do? Are they going to follow Klarna's footprint and replace their employees by AI, or they are going to keep them? Stay tuned, stay happy. Peace out.